Gen guys, please pay attention to this project. It's currently trending and I want you to actually leverage on it in order to claim your $20 worth of the token. This is how it works. So on the platform, this is their website, very structured and self-explanatory. You can go through the roadmap to see, to learn more for yourself, and also read through the white paper. Everything has been structured on this, so it's a collection of what is it called, histories of many nations, things that happened. It has a very nice narrative, and I would like you to go into it and learn things for yourself. All right, so currently the app is live on the Play Store. You can just go ahead and click on the link to download, or you can download from their website. So you just go ahead and just click on the Play Store, then you just go ahead and click on install, and the app will get installed. Also, for those who are using Apple, just wait a little bit, the app will be also uploaded on the Apple. So once you download the app, just go ahead and open the app, right? So when you open the app, you'll be told to register. So you just go ahead and register, and in the part, okay, let me just quickly show you how it works. All right, so this is how it works. Just go ahead and click on create account, then you see select country. If you are from India, click India. If you are from Bangladesh, you just click on it. Else you can just click on others. All right, so you can go ahead and put your name. All right, you put your name, then you add your email address to it, then you enter the referral code. This referral code is optional, but if you want to get that $20 bonus, you just go ahead and put in this referral code 423557 small letter C1. All right, so that's just the code. Then you go ahead and click on send verification. So a verification code will be sent into your email. Go ahead and grab it, then you paste it here and create your account. All right, so I just grab mine. Just go ahead and paste it, then you click on create account. So once your account is created, you will see a backup code. Copy that backup code and save it. That's what you use to log in, because no password is needed. All right, so after you've logged in successfully, as you can see, you have claimed about 200,000 because you used 200,000 SKC. That's the ticker of their token. All right, so you can see this $20. The first thing on our platform is the chat. So this is where you literally chat with other people. You chat with other people, and if you have any complaint, you have any question, you can also ask here, and you'll be attended to. All right, so if you want to continue mining daily, you just go ahead and click on temple, then you see light the lamp. So you just go ahead and click light the lamp. You have extra 50,000 SKC to your wallet. All right, so the lamp is lit already. Then you return, then you see share. Okay, this honor is where you see your ranking. All right, so and also you get your referral code to onboard your own community. Then lastly, I think on the share, if you click on the share, you see you just come here and share daily to get extra 50,000, because there are new articles that will be posted daily. Just go ahead and click on share. Immediately you click on share, you just share to any platform, and you come back to receive your reward. You can see it has reflected already. All right, so you can also check your personalities, where you get all the datas. You can contact them in case you want to reach them through email, through WhatsApp, or their YouTube channel. So you can reach them via those. So you can see, and as we continue to grow, because this is currently new and very trending, there are massive adoption already. Very soon they will make a provision for us to be able to make our withdrawal of this token that we have, this what is it called, this USDT that we have on our platform. So this is how it literally works, and I want you to jump into it as fast as possible, mine as fast as possible, and ensure you are consistent in mining this project. So see you in my next video, and if this is your first time, do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You are welcome.